Hi guys. Today I will tell you about the Ocean El Faro Hotel, which is located in the Dominican Republic. We have analyzed thousands of tourist reviews about this hotel, so we definitely have a lot to share with you. Let's go. As usual, let's start with some general information about the hotel. Ocean El Faro is a 5-star all-inclusive hotel. Here, you will find a true tropical paradise with plenty of palm trees, a magnificent sea, and breathtaking views. In addition to the buffet, the hotel offers several a la carte restaurants where you can enjoy exquisite dishes from different cuisines around the world. The hotel has a great entertainment team that energizes all guests. Expect fun nightly shows and a sea of positive emotions. The hotel's rating is 4.7 on Google, 7.7 on Booking, and 4.5 on TripAdvisor. You can check the accommodation prices and book a room through the links in the description and the pinned comment under this video. Friends, right now, I will tell you about all the pros and cons of this hotel, but before we start, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with likes and comments. Thank you. The beach at Ocean El Faro left me with mixed impressions. On one hand, it is truly beautiful, offering stunning views and a chance to enjoy the ocean. On the other hand, it turned out to be rocky, especially in some areas where you had to be careful not to get hurt. The saving grace was a wonderful lagoon to the left of the hotel grounds, but since it does not belong to the hotel, it was not cleaned regularly, and its cleanliness left much to be desired. The hotel's beach itself looked fantastic, but it lacked amenities, especially a nearby restaurant. To eat, you had to walk all the way to the main restaurant, which was not very convenient. The ocean water was warm and pleasant, but the entry into the water was not always comfortable due to the rocks. If the beach were better maintained and equipped, the experience would have been much more enjoyable. There were enough sun loungers, so finding a spot was not a problem. The atmosphere on the beach was peaceful, making it a great place to relax. Overall, the beach is beautiful, but its condition and amenities did not fully meet expectations. If you prioritize a perfect water entry, it's better to use the lagoon, but keep in mind that it is not cleaned. Friends, if you have already stayed at Ocean El Faro, leave a comment sharing your thoughts on the hotel, what you liked and what you didn't. Now, let's explore the hotel grounds. The hotel grounds at Ocean El Faro did not impress me much. The entire complex looks elegant and generally clean, but the garden was not well maintained, which slightly spoiled the overall appearance. The pools look neat, but unfortunately, their cleanliness left much to be desired. The main pool was often murky, giving the impression that it was not cleaned properly. During my stay, I never saw anyone cleaning the pools, which was a bit concerning. The hotel has plenty of space, and walking around the grounds was enjoyable despite the poorly maintained green areas. In the evening, the grounds looked especially beautiful thanks to stylish lighting and elegant design. The hotel's architecture is modern and stylish, creating a sense of luxury. If the pools were better maintained and the garden was well kept, the impression of the grounds would have been much better. Overall, the place is beautiful but needs more attention to detail. Now, let's head to the main restaurant and see what the food is like. I really like the food at Ocean El Faro. The bars and restaurants are excellent, offering a diverse menu catering to different tourists and nationalities. The variety of dishes was pleasantly surprising, the seasonings were well balanced, and the drinks were always served cold and refreshing. The a la carte restaurants had a wide selection of dishes, and in most cases, the food was delicious. However, in some restaurants, the quality of the dishes was not up to par, and I found the buffet to be much better than some of the a la carte options. The steakhouse was particularly disappointing. We had to wait over an hour for our order, which was exhausting. Other than that, the restaurant service was good, and the food was genuinely enjoyable thanks to its variety and quality. Delicious seafood, meats, fresh vegetables, and desserts made every meal a pleasant experience. The a la carte restaurants added a sense of refinement, but not all of them lived up to high expectations. Overall, the food here is excellent, aside from the occasional slow service. The variety of cuisines and the large number of restaurants made dining exciting and allowed us to try something new every day. If the service in some restaurants were a bit faster, the experience would have been even better. Now, let's head to the room to relax a bit. The rooms at Ocean El Faro are very clean and comfortable. For example, towels were changed more than once a day, which was a nice touch. The minibar was restocked daily, and in this regard, the service was at a good level. However, as soon as I entered the room, I noticed a strong musty smell. There was clearly a humidity issue. The bathtub looked outdated, and the toilet seat was poorly installed, which caused some discomfort. The curtains also smelled of mold, making the experience even more unpleasant. The air conditioner was not working properly, and despite my complaints, it was only fixed on the day of my departure. The cleaning service was good, but due to the humidity, the room still felt damp. There were no drying racks for swimwear, and drying clothes on the balcony was prohibited, which added to the inconvenience. Overall, the room was spacious and comfortable, but the humidity and mold made it an unpleasant place to stay. If the hotel took better care of the room conditions and resolved the humidity problem, the experience would have been much better. As it stands, the spaciousness and cleanliness do not compensate for the poor air quality and outdated plumbing. The staff at Ocean El Faro left an extremely negative impression on me. Many employees were rude, from the receptionist to the restaurant waiters. Some waiters didn't even acknowledge greetings, creating an unpleasant sense of neglect. The service was openly poor unless you tipped. I believe such an attitude is unacceptable in a 5-star hotel. It felt like the staff was completely unprepared to work with international tourists and lacked a consistent service standard. The lobby staff and butler service were incompetent, which ruined our vacation and made us feel uncomfortable. The butler service here is far from what is expected in a true 5-star hotel. Many employees clearly need training to improve the quality of service. The overall level of service leaves much to be desired, making it seem like guests are not welcome. I would never return to this hotel solely because of the poor attitude of the staff. This was one of the worst service experiences I have ever encountered. If the staff were more professional and polite, my impression of the stay would have been completely different. The entertainment at Ocean El Faro left a very positive impression on me. The hotel offers plenty of activities for both adults and children, so there is never a dull moment. The animation team was excellent, making sure all guests had a great time. I especially liked that there were many different activities throughout the day, from water games to sports competitions. In the evening, grand shows were held, and they were truly impressive. There were also plenty of activities for children, making the hotel a good choice for family vacations. Musical programs, dance performances and various shows made each night special. The animators were energetic, friendly, and created a positive atmosphere. Overall, the entertainment was outstanding, and there was something for everyone. If you enjoy an active vacation with a full entertainment program, this hotel will definitely suit you. I like the kids area at Ocean El Faro, though it has its pros and cons. The children's pool and water slides were great, allowing kids to have fun in the water. I especially liked the family club, which offered activities not only for young children but also for teenagers. The kids club was well organized, but unfortunately, it was not very dynamic. We often noticed that children were just sitting in front of the TV instead of participating in active games. It would be better if the animators engaged the children more in fun activities and movement-based entertainment. Despite this, the hotel offers many other opportunities for family-friendly activities. The pool and play areas were clearly designed with young guests in mind. If your child enjoys water activities, they will definitely have a great time here. Overall, the kids area is good, but if the kids club were more engaging, the experience would be even better. I absolutely did not like Ocean El Faro in Punta Cana due to the terrible service and moldy rooms, although everything else was at a fairly good level. The hotel offers delicious and varied food, A beautiful and spacious property, large rooms, and good entertainment for both adults and children. Another minor downside is the rocky beach. If you value top-notch service and a perfectly clean beach, you will likely not enjoy this hotel. Personally, I would recommend looking for another hotel that truly meets 5-star standards. However, the final decision is always yours, and only you can decide whether this hotel is worth visiting or not. While you are thinking, I recommend checking out these other videos about hotels in Punta Cana. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new reviews. That's it for today. See you soon at a new hotel.